Hi! In front of me is REDMI Pad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. You need to begin by locating and opening Safety app. Following that, decide if you wish to link it to your Google account by selecting one of those options. When you're done, click on Add Contact and tap on the one that you wish to set up. You can do exactly the same to the other ones you need. To remove one of them, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!